Hello everybody, this is Phantom Vacuum Fan. Today I'm going to do something different from my usual. Normally I don't put dirt down on the carpet, but for this demonstration I had to. And for once, I'm not demonstrating a Phantom. I had a request from a friend of mine who I met on YouTube to do a demo of my Hoover Linx Cordless Platinum Collection stick vacuum, and it's a really nice stick vacuum. It uses this lithium-ion battery cartridge, and it has a motorized brush roll that you can turn on or off at the switch. It runs for about 15 minutes, and unlike a lot of stick vacuums, I'm not going to go as far as to say Hoover's claim, which is that it doesn't lose power at all, until it dies, and it just goes like, and then shuts off. Whereas a lot of them go, but it's not as, you probably have like maybe 13 minutes of full cleaning power, and then, minute 14 and minute 15, you start to lose some, but it still does a beautiful job. Even then, you can just hear the difference in the motor. But anyway, there's the orangish yellow stuff there is this feline pine cat litter we use. I put some of it down. And that green stuff there is catnip. And the reason I use these two things is because catnip can be, it can be hard to get off of a carpet if anyone's ever put it down. And the cat litter, is something that you'd be able to see and so on. So there's a little bit right there. It's not as much. I actually put down a pretty good pile that I had to spread out a little bit because I didn't mean to put down anywhere near that much. Not because I didn't think it could handle it, but just because I didn't want to waste it. But of course, it dumped right out. So anyway, here goes. We have an empty canister on there. And here we go. And you can see right here on the handle, that is for bare floors. One more, it goes to carpet mode. So here's the cat litter. Okay, and now for the catnip. And everything's really up. There's still maybe a little bit of cat litter here and there, so I'm just going back over it. But, and you can see how much, it's not, well, it's kind of at the max line in closer to the center of the canister, but I'm going to continue. Like, there's some specks right there, there's something on the floor, picked it right up, there's something right there on the floor, picked it right up, something right there, So, it has really good suction. Now I'm just doing a little touch-up, figuring that out, and this way you also know that it doesn't lose suction that much. For a stick vac, I've actually used this, like if I've had company coming over, I've used it just as a quick touch. Hello everybody, this is Phantom Vacuum Fan. Today I'm going to do something different from my usual. Normally I don't put dirt down on the carpet, but for this demonstration I had to. And for once, I'm not demonstrating a Phantom. I had a request from a friend of mine who I met on YouTube to do a demo of my Hoover